It is raining so hard here tonight in West Hollywood, but that did not stop me from going out. You can see here, it's pouring rain right now. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. I'm back in West Hollywood. It's so great to be back home where the party is going to start very soon. I'm in West Hollywood.
Loving it!
It's not that busy right now. It's raining really hard.
Even though everyone is wet outside, look who I ran into inside. Two dry men.
Should get busy real soon, right?
Happy holidays!
Happy New Year.
Happy holidays!
Happy New Year. Rain or shine, West Hollywood has the best nightclubs in the world.